That's really cool. So next one, let go. I think I love the rainbow outfit, but in here too pretty, but no. I love the man, but the girl has a pink skin tone. Why? Okay, I'm going to put stars only for the boy. I love the dress and the face. I love it. I love it. Okay, it's a recorder. I love, but no. Normal. Oh, I don't put the stars. Sorry, guys. I love it so much. I love it. I put the stars because it's so pretty. What are we gonna do to get a next? Is there? Okay. Oh. Oh, she. Good. Good. Very good. Okay. The poses. Winter pose back. Icicle. Blowing show with VFX. Blizzard. Cocoa. Glista. Sugar cookie. Blowing show with VFX. Tencel. Frosted. Holy. Peppermint. Snowfall. Angel. Evergreen. Shiver. And this is all. And the ice skating goes back. I have it already. Okay, now